what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today I'll be talking about makeup with face mask. I'll be showing you how I do my makeup when I wear face mask like this. I don't know if you can hear me or my voice is muffled, but whichever one, you know what I'm trying to do, right? You can see the concept here, right? Anyway, let's get into the video. So usually a face mask will cover So a face mask will cover around 1/3 of your face, from half of your nose around your mouth to your jaw. So this makeup basically focus on the eyes, which is my favorite part anyway, because I have very large eyes and I love to play up my eyes. So this is the time to do that. If you know me or you've seen my other videos, I usually start my makeup with my base, like my face, before I go onto my eyes. But because of the face mask, we don't have that luxury because the face will not show so much. So I'm just going to go ahead and start this entire thing with this primer. This is the Rimmell London Stay Matte makeup primer, this one. So I'll apply this all over my face very generously. Even though, like I said, we won't be applying a lot of makeup all over the face, this step is very important because it should just keep your face smooth and matte and clear. For me, that I have lots of pigmentation and blemishes and acne and my pores are huge, so a primer like this or any one that is mattifying will help keep your pores and your skin smooth looking. So this is very, very key. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and start with the eyes, and I'll be doing my brows first. So next I'll clean up the brows with some LA Girl Pro-conceal in Fawn as usual. This is another step that I don't really do in my usual makeup every day, but for this look I'm going to do it. So now that I've done my brows, I'm going to go ahead and start my eyes. I'll be using the Flawless Ivy Damn Girl. I'll be using the Flawless Ivy Damn Girl palette, this one. Yeah, I'll be using this palette. It was gifted to me some months ago, and I love that this particular palette has lots of neutral brown tones and some pinks and very deep purples. I really like it. I'll be using this palette today on my eyes. To start, I'll be taking this brown shade called Cynthia. This very, very warm brown. I'll be using that right in my crease. Next, I'll be going in with this very dark brown shade called Delightful. This very, very dark brown one. I'll be using this. This is the MAC 275 brush. It's fluffy but a little angled. So I'll be using that to apply the brown shade at the outer corners of my eyes. I'm just putting this tiny bit of concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. This one. This is in the shade C12. So I'll just be using that to brighten up my lids a little bit. So I'll be getting with this muted gold shade called Evolve. I'll be using that smack on my lids. Now that I've done that, to add some definition and line my eyes, I'll be going in with the dark shade in the same palette. It's called Fickle. It's a very, very dark matte black shade. So I'll be using that with a tiny brush to line my eyes. So I'm just lining my eyes and extending the liner into a cat's eye, like I always do. But the good thing about using a black eyeshadow is that it kind of softens out as it comes to the edge, so it's not too intense or too crazy. Now that I'm done with that part of the eyes, I'll just finish up under my eyes before I wrap up the entire look. So because of the face mask, unfortunately foundation has to go, so this look will be without foundation, because foundation is just messy no matter how you do it. Unless you have a very good matte full coverage foundation that will not move, it's just safest to go without foundation, so I'll be doing just that. But you know, with face mask, this part of your face is in focus, really in focus. So whatever dark circles or puffiness you have around your eyes, I don't have a lot of those, but I have some sort of indentation here, so I'll just try and cover that up with a little concealer. So I'll be using the same LA Girl Pro-conceal in Fawn, just a little bit under my eyes to give it a little evenness and some color too. Now that is done, I'll just set that area very, very lightly. You don't want to overbake your eyes or under your eyes. So I'm going in with my Glam Girls Banana Luxury Powder, the one that I always use. So I'll be applying that very, very lightly under my eyes. I'll be using a brush so that I don't get too much powder. So next I'll be finishing up my bottom lash line with the same colors that I use on my eyes. At this point, if you want to put on some false lashes, you can do that, but I don't usually wear false lashes like on a daily basis. Plus, with face mask, for some reason, I get very, very hot. So I'm just going to go over my lashes with some mascara, lots of mascara, just to give my lashes some definition. So the eyes are done now. I'm just going to add some contour along my nose and around my forehead, and also put some highlighter, very, very lightly, because again, this is not a full face per se, but I'm just trying to put something along the parts of my face that will be visible in the face mask. And now to wrap up the entire face, I'm going over my entire face with my Iman Luminous to None foundation powder. So I'll just be applying that all over my face with a huge brush, because you don't want a lot of powder on your face, but at the same time you want some sort of color and coverage, and this powder gives me just that. Lastly, just because your face is in a mask doesn't mean you should let your lips dry and crusty. So I'll be applying this lip balm. This is the Nivea lip balm in Strawberry Shine. I really love this lip balm. It's been serving me so well. So I'll be applying that all over my lips. So that's the whole look. I'm just going to wear my face mask now so you can see what it looks like. See, so from here I look like I have a full face of makeup on, but you guys saw what I applied on my face. Very, very little, but I look like I made some effort. I don't look like a crazy person anymore. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think about this entire concept, whether or not you think makeup is even important. Are you wearing makeup, are you not? Let me know in the comment section. I'll be responding there. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this entire video, and if you're not subscribed, please do that before you could just hit that red button below that says subscribe. Just hit the button. It's free and easy and simple, and I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.